Good evening, sir. My name is Muhammad Azam Ali, and I'm your student from the Automated Theory. Today, my project is based on CKY Parsing, that is Travel Ocar Management System. So basically, we are using the CKY Parsing as we are implementing the CKY Parsing for English to act as a recognizer as well as parser. We will be using the NLTK, that is a national level processing uh, to represent the CFG grammars and the past trees. But before that, we parse the grammar from this scratch. And this is meta documentation. These are the representation of the context-free grammar. And these are the sentences I have created. So the grammar stems from the sentences from the Traveloka management I have stemmed will be taken from the sentences. Like together it has 18 sentences, like 15 is the valid sentences and 3 is the invalid sentences. After that, to implement the CKY parsing, it has to be converted to CNF, Chomsky normal form. And this is the CKY tables for all these sentences that I have created. Now, without getting late, we'll proceed to the execution. Here, in the execution, if the sentence is derived from the grammar, if it is yes, then it is valid and accepted. If it is no, then it is not accepted and invalid. So my program is based on Python. This is the whole code in front of you. And I'm gonna run this code for you. Run, enter a sentence. Let's begin with the first sentence. And where the first sentence, what is the fare of the car? What is the fare of car? There is a problem with some execution. So run. We'll try again. What is the fare of car? It's yes. First sentence has given yes. We'll try with the second sentence. What is the car? What is the car? It's also yes. Third one. Can you book a car? It's also yes. The fourth one. Can you book a car to Vegas? Can you book a car to Vegas? It's yes. And the fifth one, can you go to Vegas? The gun will start heading. Can you? It's yes again. The sixth one, this car goes to Vegas. This car goes to Vegas. Yes. Book this car for me. Book this car for me. Run. Book this car for me. Yes. And we are in the eighth one. Do you need a car? Do you need a car? I need this car. I need this car. Yes. I need to go Vegas. I need to go Vegas is yes. Do you need to go Vegas? It's a 11th sentence. Get from the scratch. Run, run. Do you need to go Vegas? It's yes. Do you prefer car, the 12th one? Started. Did. Do you prefer car? Whenever the kernel is getting dead, you have to execute again and again. Do you prefer car? Yes. Do you need the car? Yes. Here's a traveler car management. So it's on the customer queries. We are accepting the queries and we are checking that this is accepting and it is a valid statement. And 14 have become the valid and we are executing the last one. This is the car I need. This is the car I need. And all the 15 have been successfully executed with the valid sentences. Now let's move on to invalid sentences. Invalid sentences, it gives no, that is not accepted, and invalid. Need car that. Car that. It's a no. Car for, it's a no. This car for is also no. So we have successfully executed all the 18 together, the valid sentences and the invalid sentences. And my documentation after this, I have converted C and F. And these are the CKY tables that I have created for every sentences. What is the car? And there are how many tables? 15 for the valid and 3 for the invalid. And I have given the copy of the code here. It's a long code, Python code. This Python code, I'll show you the Python code. Here, the code starts from checking the grammars. And here it ends with print yes or no. And I've given the execution of the screenshot execution of every sentences. And invalid sentences, there are some references which I have took help for the project. So this is the end of the project. I hope you understand this, like how the way I approach. Thank you so much for giving this platform, for showing my talent in this project. And I'm well versed in the Python language as well. Thank you so much, sir.